Outward motivation can be an effective tool when you just can't seem to find or grasp that elusive inner motivation we all seek. When you can't muster it from within, you can use the world around you to achieve the same drive. We all want to fit in after all, and outward motivation can work in your favour. So, how can you improve your outward motivation? The first step is to get feedback from others. From negative to positive, or somewhere in between, this can fuel your motivational fire. You can also administer rewards after completing tasks, making the outcome worth fighting for even more. Why not take things one step further by matching rewards with clearly identified tasks? For example, a triple cheeseburger is not an appropriate reward for reaching a weight loss goal. These mismatching concepts detract from the bigger picture. Recent studies have proven that being conscious of an audience can have a positive impact on the outcome of a certain activity. This is why including public involvement in the schedule of outward motivation is so important when it comes to quality outcomes. Whether someone is watching you or you simply believe they are watching, this can make the world of difference. You can also try to use random schedules of motivation, planning erratic, unpredictable goals to keep you inspired and satisfied. Finally, never outsource control. Loss of ownership of your goals equals a loss of drive, igniting a chain reaction of procrastination and complacency. This is just the beginning. Want to learn more about how the human mind works? Stay tuned to Introspectrum and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Whether you're 25 or 55, you hold the power to change your life and achieve any goal you envision. Remember, the mind is like a treasure chest. Once you know how to unlock it, the rewards will just keep on coming. Stay tuned to Introspectrum.